Mint Mobile's International Pass provides affordable international roaming at $5 per day, offering unlimited data, texts, and calls in over 120 countries. The pass is designed for travelers seeking budget-friendly options while using Mint Mobile's network. It activates on a daily basis and relies on T-Mobile's international roaming partners to provide the service. There are two key terms to understand. Add-on refers to purchasing and enabling the pass, typically done before travel. Refresh is a manual process to reactivate or sync the pass if glitches occur. Users often encounter problems, including activation failures, billing issues such as insufficient funds, app or network sync errors, and gaps in country support. To avoid issues, ensure your device is an unlocked GSM phone and connected to a Mint Mobile network before activation. This resolves 40% of common problems. If your pass isn't working, first, refresh the pass in the Mint Mobile app version 4.2.1 or later. This forces a sync with T-Mobile's servers, fixing most activation issues. Clear your app cache and restart your device. Ensure you have sufficient funds and that your device is compatible. If problems persist, contact Mint Mobile support via live chat. FCC regulations require clear error messages, so look for specific notifications like pass expired, refresh required. For example, clearing the app cache and restarting the device often resolves the issue.